These are the drivers picking up things from the car for the camping tent house. They're busy. Let me also get closer to the camp and see. Yes,
Hi. We are very happy that we found the right place for a picnic, and we will be spending here around 2 or 3 hours before we are leaving for a day.
Okay, so what are you doing right now?
Now we are transporting all the utensils before we set a picnic. So here is the natural bridge, and we have a lot of big pieces there. After some time to start catching for the dinner.
All right, thank you, thank you. Good morning, everyone. Let's have a short experience story from Mr. San. San, what's your experience so far?
The hotel room was nice. The hallway was nice. The paintings are nice. The river was shallow and I liked it. The fish curry was
pathetic.
And then I have mountain view.
Okay.
Thank you.
Wow, nice experience.
Speak here.
I love picking the rocks and throwing them in the lake.
Look here.
And I don't even swim. I just play with water.
Did you
And
like it?
yes, it was good.
Okay. What stones did you find yesterday?
We found gold stones in the that thing lake. And bye bye.
So what's the
Bye.
So I love visiting.
For water. Yeah. Yeah.
Did you see fishes? Fish?
Fishes.
Okay.
Yes. What did you do yesterday?
And rice.
I went for swimming.
Okay.
I don't know how to speak.
You don't know how to speak.
Okay.
Apple, then you said something? Me too. Thank you. Bye bye.
We're going back to Delhi.
Okay, bye bye. We have stayed here. We have hold the night as this homestay, and it's time to check out. Mui Mai and his mother. Ring soon. So you leaving? Okay, bye bye. Dehradun bye bye to huh? Ring soon po. Let's check out sote. Okay, bye bye Dehradun. Sanpu is ready here. San's dad. He is cleaning, warming up, cooling the car, taking the turn just to move on to the final destinations of today's adventure at Maldevta River, which is one of the popular and famous picnic spot at Dehradun. That is the homestay or the hotel we hold the night. We stay and enjoy the night. San Pui with his Gai Mai, I mean. Mà hai tuần hotel biểu hỏi thuận đâu thải đến đi từ thải Mongan Baltic homestay tapang kumakaza. So for your kind information, let me take the signboard in case if we need for future reference. This is the room where we stay. Sun Kai going to board the car. Rasun Kai coming in, coming up with full pack. Just waiting for Ring Sun Kai family. Ring Sun family. Ganga Mai. The two hero is here.
There's no heroine today, only heroes.
Ring Sun's family with Mr. Azenga, the driver today. Ôi, 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 Tuân đúng đi mà gọi ta. Ring Sun, bye bye, see you. I am also going to board now. I will be a part of Sun's car. This is me. So the journey is started now. Only one person. Huh? Guy and his mother, Mr. Driver Sahab, Sanpu, and me. We 4 of us have boarded this car. Now moving toward the Maldevta River Adventure Point Stadium.
Ninh tinh mai ở dù ni trôi gần thế ngàn xiên mai ở dù ni trôi gần nung xì nung gai ở dù boy ni mình ngâm gần thế Hân quang đất lơ kia nung bắn chi nắng sắc thế sâu nắng bắn chi lâm hay cả gần ri mơ câu ra quang bắn gió lỡ thôi. Gì mai azu này băng diện lông xí mai đi azu cả không ngã nhưng mây azu ban ban chi su thuê hầu ngày lung lung khóc đạt gần thế.
Good afternoon. We have reached the Maldevta River where we will be doing an adventure, cooking, fishing, swimming. Ganga Mai and his party is over there. They are doing a swimming. And Mr. Zithai is also over there with his family, with his mother. Upon Shyam, all of them will also start the water play, short moments. You can see the surrounding of this river. Cái scene rìm khảo thác con nhỉ ha. Hay bùa. Đuôi khảo cày là nạc máy nên lại la vấn đề. Ôi ôi ôi. Oh, oh, oh. Big truck. Big truck coming.
Deeper, right?
Yeah, we are going. Where is Ratun? I'm looking for him. Oh, oh, oh. See car coming.
Yeah.
Car coming. Few more people still coming in. The other car is also coming behind. Stunning view of Mr. Azena driving on the river. Mr. Funa carrying many things for the refreshments and on the way, and those are the youngsters of today's tourist team. Come fast, come fast, come fast, come fast. Come fast. See, they are walking toward the parking point on the river. Rongmei in action. Hello, bye bye. Ringtone is also coming there. Yeah. Ringtone, do you like walking? Okay. Yeah, it's a river. Chalo, chalo. Our cars are parking over there, and we will be doing the water activities today over there. So this is perfect place for this tourist young people. Yeah, surrounding her. Sometimes Thai ni kind of dung na moi tha. In Thai also enjoying with his auntie Siam. I will see. I will see. Oh, ngặt lị ở đây đèn hả? Cái mong ra khát đi. Sit down. Oh, oh, oh. These are the drivers picking up things from the car for the camping tent house. They're busy. Wait, to will pakota. Muta. Okay. Cam ni gonza kho. Let me also get closer to the camp and see. Let me also get closer to the camp and see.
Natural fish.
Yes.
Hi. We are very happy that we found the right place for a picnic, and we will be spending here around 2 or 3 hours before we are leaving for the day.
Okay, so what are you doing right now?
Now we are transporting all the utensils before we start a picnic. So here is the natural fish, and we have a lot of big fishes there. After sometimes we'll start catching for the dinner.
All right, thank you. You can see the pickup spot, the camp spot of today's team. Before stepping in, so I have one that. I don't phone a warning to help on the sun. I don't know why these iPhones are getting hot or warm easily. Whoa! Okay. Came hot with winner, so therefore rice is already there. This is brought from the Dehradun highly. Oh yeah. Camping bum tent house to kani kitchen kasiat mampang hai panga. Hoja. Here is the laibu. Here is a laibu, and another big one laibu is also over here. And these are the people who will be starting their project soon. The only thing I want is this. Hi Kira, Dehradun ko ha. One of the best and tastiest Kira cucumber in Dehradun. Sanpu catching fish. Big fish catching by Mr. Sanpu Matthew over there. Us, take that, blah blah blah. Hi there. I'm zooming out there. Very far up places from my camp. Zeng anh bị tuồng tu freeze. Zeng á, say, kẹp tên đi. Sanpu, siya kan kaya nakatang bala bante. Ka, die, may gumbil na. Sanpu, you have to bend down your knee. Katang tang na kabang, back to. Zai diệp kayu, kom nan rút cái đây. Not ding na suang ramena kapiap. Hi take, kabam take. Kabam take. How take. How take. Ready đi he. Ai đi hết Maldevta River khỏi này khăn nìm lắm kìa. Thằng tài xuân tuổi quay số bầm đĩa. Này lim khỏi na video nằm ngồi cái dạng phone hang ra mà cái nào. Anh à lẹ này tí đi hết số bầm nhà. Vâng à mày khỏi thang máy. Ra xuân bùi khỏi thang máy xem khỏi thang máy rình xuân bùi khỏi thang máy số bầm quay đi hết ta. Anyway. Quốc dân xuống mầm thế Maldevta thì thuộc đàn khấu Quốc dân xuống nó Mai sủ sẽ đi bấm trong hình tèo á Asai tuang Master Chef Sanpu Không là spices lâu cái của thôi nằm lâu nặng là hay. This is the curry pot and these are the people who is behind this delicious cooking. At the same time, few individuals are enjoying their brunch. Ring soon, cheese ball there. There why? tụi mình thấy cheese ball and omelette níไปแล้วเสียมหรือ feeding ส่วนนั้นแต่ว่า and ทั้งอาบะมันปุยรอบะมันปุรัวกังกาไม่หาย 2 hour ดาวด้วยคุณสุสีเรานั่นแต่หายมัมมี่ตรงแลบเขาแถะบ้มตรงให้กระสุนปูคันนี้ให้ตัวนั้นจีทอยเปล่าราสุนซันให้นี่ว่า energy top up สมไว้ตรงแท้ at the same time Mr. Jesse Dehradun में पू क्या बांग पाओ मैंने भी तो पार्क को जाऊँ तो थाम क्या मुझ से इसी बंदेทั้งแต่ละเท่าสุดตัวเท่ามวยไก่ไม้วิธีสมัมมี่ให้ดีฮะ Riverside camping busy สมัมมี่เกี่ยวกำลังให้เรานำไปตัวสุดตัวเท่า cooker rice cooker pressure กูย้ายเป็นแท้อันนี้มันสุดๆแบบมวยแท้ให้ดีฮะดาวต้อง short break after a few more minutes we will be having a lunch we will be having a lunch ต้องตัดเสียกนี่จะเอาบ้างไหมต้องตัดขาจะเอาบ้างเหรอด้วยสารต้องไปเจอตัวท่าอินทรีสรุก6-inch depth river ตัวนักการนี้ตัวนักข้าน่าไม่มากไหม we will show you later it's dinner time now let me show you the menu that we have prepared at the river bank this is the fresh fish chutney we caught it from the river here at Maldevta River this is the fresh fish curry and this is the pork we brought it from Dehradun this is one of the tastiest local pork and those are the rice plates and some of them has already started their feast this is early dinner we call it Mr. Sanpu the cook of today late lunch or early dinner we can say how's the taste
after this we are leaving for Delhi not so bad and not so good
not so good not so bad
yes.
this is okay and Mr. Ning Din how is the taste that's good Zeng á cái kháng xin ngoại nó xây ạ vô dân của mày làm lần giá này thì bị pis của bọng se okay flesh nó thế the यहाँ पर नींबू वाला Mr. Jesse नींबू वाला thằng ạ baby care bằng thằng ạ đúng không ha starting for Mr. Mười Gài Mai with Russian boy Mr. G with Mr. Gigi with Wilao Siam this is Zanga chair lang ang ni ha decathlon to hay là sun poi đi lâu nó kinh fisher lấy hết tuổi mà nó tụ ngoài đồng thay and you can see the view of this river bank sinh bột như giáo sẽ zoom in mà nhiều hái nó tụ tan thế buổi tối sẽ đọc xong từ cái phiền đây vậy at the same time sợ đi bận mà mấy that's all for now còn rồi đuổi thế này tôi sẽ lo vào đây đi hay đi ha nắp tu tăng á sọ sụ mấy răng kháng hay bận bấm tung thế this is the ready spring water stream water rồi nè tui la thao na ni ballam to ha after early dinner we will have this red tea alun la ba khre thani ni he ma yes na tu tanga resting subam pang ha haya fan the hinai to fan see Mr. Ringsun and GC Mai kam la na hai re thau so to tha ganga na ne na tu padek lao ta ren ra lao tin na zimni ka hao kama hai re na san pui nap tu lao mui gai ma ziri na dong wai ton thai pang hai official pang hai sai ya hai re na gan song sui long pui he una sai picnic khao heni oi roi floor mat khiun than mai tabui so mai so bang wai to heni wa kam la na thang ter nan ta hon me gri thang te tabam the thang te ni khata am de chi ai ne kama thang ta stone cracker ta ni ni nai ta ni machine kam da la na hai ter na gri kha the san ka gri tom la hai re na jang ka gri ta ni ring rachun ka gri thai san ka nai thang ta rasun ne na tu tanga dui final touch sabam na dia to ne po ro bank ru sui bam the na Mr. Jesse the sai tan do sai lo mi the mila yo क्या बना रहे चिकन हाँ बढ़िया हमने फिश खाया यहाँ से थोड़ा बहुत
एक 2 किलो ही मिला, ज्यादा नहीं।
लेकिन छोटा हाँ जाएंगे को thằng đi
sau để lâu tụi này lâu đến ăn thai nào.
Good evening. Good evening. After the dinner, yeah, we are taking bath. We have packed up our items, baggage, everything. Sanpo will dive into the pond here, which we have in the middle of Stream Lake. Stream Lake, we call it. Sanpo in action. Do some dive. Diving. Đây hả? Hay đi hơi. Hay đi hơi. Nè. So in case you want to do. Tao đi ra với mày ai? I already put on. À, cái nó quan đi coi mình hết.
Gymnastics là talent số cũng phải thế. Ai cày gì thì cái này là cày vô phải cày tụi nó ngoài mà hơi cái. Quan cái này hết thứ quan đi mà. Not today. Cái gì thỉnh thoảng nó mà không được.
We have done the fishing trip or family vacations here with Ringsun Kai, Sun Kai, and Ratsun Kai. We have done the early dinner. We enjoyed the full day with water activity, fishing, loading, lots of fun and going now. Ratsun Kai agree, hey? It's time to go back home. This is Apuna, who accompanied us from Dehradun. She stayed at Dehradun. She accompanied today with her friend and her brother. So we enjoy the whole day. Mr. Sansanpu, Sansan Kaigari, this is Sansan's car. Mr. Matthew Sansanpu is driving on the river of Maldevta, Dehradun. He is also a good driver. We spend the whole day this is Mr. Ning Ting Din, who helped us a lot during the entire vacation since yesterday. He knows hook and corner of this adventures area, and he was the one who lead us and guide us this vacation. In between, we also see a tractor getting a stone for trekking. This is how it runs on the water. The car over there is Ringsun's family's car. This is the last car of today's family trip vacations at Maldevta River. I got two vehicles coming here. One is a Zenga and the other one is tractor Baya. Yeah. I will be boarding here till I meet the car. Chalo. Bye-bye. There are a few more families enjoying a family trip here. But we are moving out.
Hello guys, we are coming back from Dehradun to Delhi in this road. Everything that you see here is made millions and billions of years ago. The sun, the view, everything that you can imagine here, it has been made a long time ago. The sky view is really nice and the sun is really good. It is perfect weather. So guys, if you like swimming or floating or doing water activities or fishing, please visit Dehradun at Maldevta River. We thank you for seeing this. This is Sangalong Gamay signing off.
Yesu ni Krista aka Rita lâu mai priha Lao siêu na zai roa